Temu and SHEIN are global e-commerce platforms offering highly discounted goods to shoppers everywhere. SHEIN specializes in fast fashion and apparel, making it a go-to for the latest trends, while Temu operates like a massive digital department store, offering everything from tech to home goods. Both apps use flash sales, coupons, and complex algorithms to provide bargain prices all year round. Using both apps is very straightforward, making it easy for anyone to find a deal. First, download the app. Download the SHEIN or Temu app from your iOS App Store or Google Play Store today. You can also shop via their mobile responsive websites if you prefer using a desktop browser. Next, create an account. Open the app and sign up using your email address or your phone number. Or make it even faster by linking your existing Google, Apple, or Facebook accounts to sign in. Now, browse and shop. SHEIN is best for clothing, offering thousands of new items daily. Use the advanced filter options like size, color, and specific style to find exactly what you need. Temu is best for household goods, smart gadgets, and affordable clothing options for the whole family. It is heavily discovery-based, meaning you can browse through endless personalized recommendations that match your interests. Always read reviews, because these are third-party vendor platforms. The sizing and overall quality can vary. Always check the customer review sections and look specifically at customer-uploaded photos to see the real product. Don't forget to check the sizing charts carefully, as international sizing may differ from what you expect. When you're ready, add to cart. Select your preferred sizes and quantities. Then tap the Add to Cart button. Finally, checkout and payment. Go to your cart. Apply any available coupons and proceed to the final checkout. Input your delivery address and pay securely using PayPal, credit cards, or mobile wallets like Apple Pay. Watch for free shipping. Both apps offer free standard shipping, though it usually requires meeting a minimum purchase. Hunt for coupons. Both apps frequently offer spinning wheels, flash sales, and special codes to maximize your savings. And remember to understand shipping times. Since items ship directly from facilities in Asia, they may take a week. Start saving today and enjoy the massive variety available on Temu and SHEIN.